Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox copper mask. Wow! Finally dumating na din. Lolo, Bea, Shaina, Ai, Pokwang, Yorme, Marian, Tina, and Alan K. They are only some of the many artistas I found in their social media wearing copper mask. At hindi lang siya nakaka-artista, but it has a lot of benefits. So ano ba talaga ang copper mask? Copper mask is the first and 100% guaranteed original copper mask in the Philippines. It has an antimicrobial film with infused copper strands, non-woven fabric filters, and is effective to kill 99% of different bacteria and viruses. So sa sobrang excitement ko po, I already peeled it. I'm so sorry. Pero ito po yung laman. 1 copper mask antimicrobial film, 2 elastic strings, 10 pieces non-woven fabric filters, 10. And may mga seal stickers. 1 seal sticker I have already placed in the copper mask, and this is what it looks like. And for the other seal sticker, dito po siya dapat ilalagay. So as much as possible, if you can make it as equal and as aligned as you can, the better. So there you go. I have now connected both sides. And unfortunately, I wasn't very satisfied. It was not very aligned. So the good thing about it is natatanggal po siya and you can readjust it. So now as you can see, 2 pieces of elastic strings are already placed and they are all adjustable. Both copper mask and non-woven fabric filters have their holes ready to be connected with elastic strings. So are you ready to see how it looks like? Ta-da! Wow, it looks very sophisticated and it looks very elegant. One thing I'm not very sure about, that's why I'm trying to hide it inside, are the elastic strings, but I guess it has its purpose. Now you still have your stickers. You can actually put your stickers wherever you want and you can design your own copper mask. And as you can see, may dalawa na po akong nailagay sa aking copper mask and I just followed the original style. So here's my final look with the copper mask. O diba? Nakakaganda. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.